Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make plantain puff puff, and don't forget to watch this video till the end. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe. So to start, I'm going to go ahead to peel off the back of my plantain, and guys, don't forget to wash your plantain before peeling it. As you can see, for this recipe I'm using overripe plantain, and after I'm done peeling it, I'm going to go ahead to use my kitchen knife to slice it. After I'm done, I'll transfer it into my large mixing bowl. Then I'll go ahead to use a masher to mash the plantain. In case you don't have a masher at home, you can use your blender to blend the plantain. So after I'm done mashing it, I'll go ahead to add in my flour. Always make sure you sieve your flour before adding it. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using instant active yeast, so there is no need for me to proof the yeast. I'll just go ahead to add in the yeast straight away. After that, I will add in my white powdered sugar. Next, I'll use my spatula to give it a quick stir, and after that I will add in my salt. After adding in the salt, I'll continue stirring it to make sure I mix the dried ingredients properly. And after that, I'll go ahead to add in my warm liquid milk. And one more thing guys, make sure you use warm milk for this recipe. You can gradually add in your milk until you get the consistency that you want. Finally, I'm done mixing my batter now. And guys, make sure your batter is not too watery, not too thick as well. So next, I'm going to go ahead to cover with my kitchen towel and allow it to rest for about 1 hour. So 1 hour later, as you can see, the batter doubled in size. Next, I'm going to go ahead to place my pan on the heat, then add vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, then I'll go ahead to start scooping in my batter. One more thing guys, do not add your batter in your oil if your oil is not hot enough. So to check if your oil is hot enough, add in a little butter in your oil. If it starts floating, it means your butter is hot enough. You can start scooping in your butter. So as you can see now, I'm done scooping in my butter in my oil. So next, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to keep on flipping my puff puff. You can as well use your fork to flip your puff puff until I make sure that both sides are well fried. And one more thing guys, make sure you fry your puff puff on a medium heat to prevent your puff puff from burning. Continue frying your puff puff until they turn golden brown. So guys, as you can see now, I'm done frying my puff puff. I'm going to go ahead to use my sieve to take them off the heat. Please, my amazing viewers, don't forget to support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership. So guys, finally my puff puff is ready now. I'm going to go ahead to enjoy this with soft drink. And please don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.